Friends, today we're going to see how to make passion berry bliss smoothie. It's such a divine, the taste so good. Let's see how to make. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friend, this passion berry bliss is such a good combination with the main ingredient is the fruits, is the passion fruit. So today I use a 1 passion fruit, 1 cup strawberry, half cup blueberries, 1 cup ice, 1 banana. So friends, today I have all the fresh ingredient. So the passion fruit is a seasonal fruit, so it's just available nowadays here, so I just thought to give a try. So how to cut and get the passion fruit? It's just the skin's really rough and so thick, and look at this, that's the seed. It's soft, chewy, slimy kind of texture, but I'm going to use it in my smoothie. The taste very sour and slightly sweet, so I thought just make smoothie because the fragrance really good. It's the mix of the mango and pineapple flavor. So I just add the banana, ice, blueberry, passion fruits. I'm going to add the strawberries. That's it. It's pretty easy, and we're going to blend it in a high speed for 3 minutes, friends. So it's just a low calorie smoothie. We don't have any fat of milk or yogurt. It's just so good, refreshing, especially during the summer day. And you can always have a for the breakfast smoothie as snacks. It's just a low calorie. Is each glass will just contain about 80 calories only, friends. So I hope this is the best a good diet for whoever consume diet, or you can add 1 glass smoothie in the morning. So what is the health benefit of the passion fruit is the aids are in the boosting of the immunity system, improves blood circle, help improve bones and eye health, keep skin hydrated and glowing, aid in the digestions, promote health to sleep, help coping the up from the cold because it's contain high in vitamin C, and it's promote heart health, friends. It's good for our heart. So friends, if you have or if you find this passion fruit, please take it, add it in your food. You always can add it, but it's literally very sour. I don't have that sweeter vision one, but I really recommend, friends. If you like this video, please subscribe now our channel and click that bell button to get a new notification. Thank you.